So hi again, everybody. A very good morning. It's Sunday. It's going to be afternoon. It's 12:50 by the watch. I'm Jashin Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of Amdecon Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor. And this is a post in regards and in continuation to walking in nature, how great it is to be soaking up the weather, even if it's a little warmer or whatever. You walk around and you will fall in love with your own neighborhood because you formed an impression about your neighborhood, reading something or following something, or even like watching news or reading news about cities being dirty and not too much of work and everything happening. But if you were to take a walk around like I am right now, you will realize that the place that you stay itself is beautiful to start with, provided you've explored. So I've come to a beautiful park which is very close to my area, and of course I've been followed by those pet like stray dogs there. And what I normally do is I come at a time when there are no children and no people around. And then when I'm here, around the time when people and children are there playing or spending time here, I tie up my dog. He's resting here next to the banana tree there, if you can see him. Where's Bruno? There he is, okay. So now what is the share about? So I had shared that, when you're taking a walk around and stuff and you're soaking up everything, you get more creative, you get more ideas and stuff. And I had shared also an idea around driftwood and flowers and driftwoods and stuff like that. And some ladies wrote in and responded, complimenting them to be really pretty. Some of them wanted to come and see those. So let me just share this, that the idea that I share here, not all of them are available to see at my place and stuff. But these are inspired generally from nature. So let me give you an example. Now I was walking around and I saw this piece of driftwood in a corner here piled up. So I picked it up, and what I intend to do is to actually go back. So this is a driftwood. It's a light piece. I've picked it up, and I found this discarded pot here. I don't know, it's lying in one corner, discarded. So there's a series of those ever since there's some, construction happening in a lot of houses here. So what am I going to do now? I'm going to take this home and I'm going to try and I'm going to look at it for a bit, and I'm going to probably place it somewhere with my pots, maybe on a windowsill, maybe at the entrance of my house, maybe in the terrace or the balcony. And I'm going to make sure first it's termite proof and stuff, and in the holes and everything I will be attempting to kind of do some flower arrangement. Probably I'm going to just put in some sleek plants, some cuttings of plants and stuff, so many of them, ever since the rains happened. And I'm going to basically also try and probably put in some, not if not real flowers, maybe some plastic flowers or something and stuff. I don't know how it's going to come. So this is the idea that I shared, that when you're walking around, the artist or the creative person in you comes alive. So it also takes me back to a memory I have of walking in a hill station, a childhood memory. So when you do this to yourself, you'll have a lot of good stuff coming up and stuff. So watch that. And this is actually Positive Ikigai, where you will have ideas and you're going to be soaking up and you're going to be enjoying nature as well. So there comes the dog. So this was my idea, that it doesn't take rocket science, and it's not always recommended to follow TV and form impressions about places and areas reading those. So today being a Sunday, maybe you could get into some Ikigai habits of cleaning up the house, cleaning up your rooms. I've already done it. We already sorted. And a quick reminder that maybe you can have a schedule of what is to be done when. And when you look into the calendar or the schedule, next week you will know on what day, what habit or what task has to be done. And like that, there is clarity in the house, and everybody is clear on the tasks and the jobs to be done and stuff like that, and people are on the same page. It reduces chaos, it reduces confusion. कब कपड़े धुलने हैं, कब मेड सर्वेंट आएगी, कब खाना बनना है, और कब लॉन्ड्री होएगी, और कब शॉपिंग पे जाएंगे, कब मॉल में जाएंगे, कब खाना खाने जाएंगे, कब गाड़ी की मेंटेनेंस होगी, और डॉग्स को धुलाना है, खुद कब डॉक्टर को मिलना है, ऑल दैट सो दैट्स अ लॉट ऑफ स्टफ टू डू, इजंट इट? सो हाउ डू यू डू दिस? This is a solution, 7 days already shared with you. Divide them and write before them, but remain flexible around them. And you may come across as someone who's stuck to a schedule or a calendar and appear not flexible. But the point is, you only know the task in hand and stuff like that, and somebody else's logic and rule, how households function or how offices function, doesn't have to apply on you. But this is definitely something which can be carried forward to your office, to your hotels, to your restaurants and stuff. And also when it comes to being available on the phone for talking and conversation and stuff, always a good idea to give people a time and a date where you are free and available to talk, because I've already said so many things. Besides this, you're managing your business, you're managing your own health, you're going for shopping, you're going to eat out, you're going to be attending birthday parties and weddings. If you have children, you're taking them out for their usual sports and stuff like that. So a lot to do. So manage your calendar. And coming back to the point, the realistic and the feel great thing is pick up driftwood and pick up cuttings of stuff around you. Nature is going to uplift you and make you feel better. And probably, who knows, the creative or the artist in you, wakes up to also listening to music, which is something like this. So let me show you. So they've chopped off some trees here. So this is what I plan to kind of do. Maybe again come back and pick up some stuff. So people with farmhouses, with laborers working and chopping and cutting and everything happening, you could always pick up a big piece and just cut this in the center, hang it, anywhere you prefer and like. And uske andar, if you cannot put mud, just put in a sponge. And in the sponge, you can have your favorite plants, maybe cactus or maybe bamboo, or maybe whatever you like. I don't know. So this is not a post about flowers or something. It's just an idea, maybe orchids or whatever you like, So you have beautiful shapes and everything. And there's also an art, if I were to extend this, in various parts of India where they have driftwood work happening in Meghalaya and Assam and stuff like that, So you can get nature indoors and life can become a lot easier. अभी देखिए पेड़ है ये एक, आप इस पेड़ पे कहीं पे ऐसे टांग सकते हैं इसको, और अपने सेक्टर में, अपने नेबरहुड में, अपने खुद के लॉन में, बालकनी में, कहाँ आप ये टांग सकते हैं, So nature on its own has a lot of solutions to give, provided you kind of stick in the moment and disconnect from social media and walk around. I'm not saying I don't get inspired from social media. I do. I go back and I research and stuff. But actual inspiration comes when you walk around and stuff like that. Now there's a beautiful palm here. So looking at this, I would really want to ideally go back and have lush green. I think this is a palm, in my home or in my lobby or in my office or something, So little ideas or advices: actually step out, soak up the sun, have some fun, rest yourself. And as you work, you feel even fresher. You start sleeping even earlier and stuff like that and all that, So you don't need any beer, you don't need any alcohol, you don't need anything. Exercise in the form of walking is also one of the best ways to stay fit. So here is a beautiful